Namaste everyone, welcome to this channel Pedia. I want to thank everyone for your love and support that you showed to me, and I really appreciate it. So in return, I decided to give you much more information about the VBA user form. That is why I plan to teach you the advanced VBA code that makes the VBA fun, and it also helps to get your job done more. So this is the series of simple to advanced VBA user form where you get to know about the animated menu bar, the dynamic combo box, the different types of coding style that helps you to modify when required. We'll create it more dynamic. Furthermore, we'll learn about the multi-search, the editable list box, and a lot more. It will be a fun series. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, you subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you will get notified with my latest uploaded video. And apart from that, after completing this series of the tutorial, we will do the complete project so that you can make your own user form based on your needs and requirements. But for now, in this video, we'll create a simple user form. Before that, I'll give the overview of the VBA and why macro is required. And then we'll learn to create the animated menu bar where we do a little bit of coding, and we'll link that menu bar with different pages. We'll also learn about how to hide the header of the multi-page, how to remove the security warning in the macro enable file. All these topics are covered in this video. This is the initial video, and such videos will come in a row. So stay tuned with me. Now without any delay, let's get started. Before starting the coding part, I'd like to give some theoretical knowledge. We know VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. Yes, it is just an editor in Excel or a Word or a PowerPoint. So it is the part of Excel program or the Word program or PowerPoint program and cannot work alone. It means it always needs a subject to work. Furthermore, it is only used for the desktop based applications. It can't be used for the internet based applications. And talking about the macros is also called the subroutine or procedures or program. So it can be called by using different names. Especially the macros is used for the repetitive tasks so that the time can be saved for the complex tasks and to create our own formula or functions. Moving forward, before we use the user form, we should not forget to save our file in the macro enable workbook. To do that, go to the file, click on the save as, and click the folder where you want to save, and save the file in the Excel macro enable workbook and save the file. This is how we can save our file in the macro enable workbook. Now make sure your developer option is enabled. If there is no developer options in the ribbon, then go to the file, click on these options, and in the quick access toolbar, in the customize ribbon, check this developer options and click on this OK. Once you press OK, you will notice the developer tab in the ribbon. Now we will create the user form. To create the user form, go to this developer tab. I'm already in the developer options. Click on this Visual Basic, and here in Insert, click this user form and increase the size of the user form. And this is the toolbox. If there is no toolbox shown in your screen, then you can go to the view and check this toolbox. Yes, once you check this toolbox, the toolbox will appear. Now this is the user form. We can change the captions or the name of the user form from this properties table. Here I will change the name of the user form is Pedia. Yes, here we can change the user form caption. Here from the toolbox, we can create the different things. This is the label. Once I click the labels and draw here, we'll create the label. And this is the text box. And we can even copy these two things and drag and drop. This is how we can create the simple user form. Yes. this user form is the front end, and for the back end we need to do a lot of things. We have to do a coding, and we'll do it in the later part. For now, you'll know how to open the user form, how to use the toolbox, how to different options of the toolbox. This is the combo box also we can create. Just click this and drag and drop. This how we can create a simple user form. Now I want to move forward towards advanced and create user-friendly and animated menu. Firstly, we are going to design our front end. I take another user form. To design our user form, I'll take the frame, and I don't want any caption, so remove this caption. I want the background color is white, so this one is white. I'll take another frame. This also, since the border style is style single, this one is also border style single, and caption, remove this caption. The background color, I want the black. Yes, right click on this last square box, then this one is the RGB value. The black, for the RGB value of black color is 75, 75, 75. If you want any other color, you can change the RGB value. You can get the RGB value from colorx.com, and this one is the colorx.com. You can get any RGB value, the green value or the white value. This one is the RGB. For me, in this part I want the black, so my RGB value is 75. Click on the add color, then the color. Now I want the label, this, click on this label. Just draw the label here. I want to change the label caption is er.pedia. Then change the font size. I'll take bold, font size 16. Click on this OK, and even the font color, the color is 4 color. I want the 4 color is white. Click this white, and the text alignment center, and I don't want the border style. Where is the border style? Here, the border style not done. This is the main head, or we can say any logo. We can keep the logo here also. And for the menu part, I'll take the another label. Yes, now I will change the caption is the home button. This one is my home. Yes, and the font size, I'll keep it bold, and font size 12. Click on this OK, and the font color is white, so that it can be visible easily in the black color. Yes, and our background color is black. And then I want the text alignment in the center, so the text alignment, make it center. And I want this one is opaque. Yes, don't make it the transparent. Yes. Now this one is for the home button. I'll copy this and drag and paste here. This one is for my another button. Yes. I'll later change the caption of this button. Then drag and drop this. These are my 4 buttons. Now it looks perfect. This one is my label 4. I'll change the label name is LBL1, and this one is LBL. This one is 3. and this one is, I write similar name. Sorry, name property has been similar. I have to change this to LBL4. Yes. Now, since the caption of this label is, I will write the caption is option. This one is my edit, and this last one is the contact. And we want the different page. We will link this home, option, edit, contact, this menu button to the different pages. For that, this one is the multi-page. Yes, click on this multi-page and drag this. On right click on this page and insert the another page. Increase this size. Yes, also increase this length also. Now right click, 4 pages. There are 4 options. Yes, 4 button, and we'll link this 4 button to these different pages. This is the front end of our animated menu. Now we'll move towards our back end. First, click on this any part of these sections. It will take us to the coding part. And now here select the user form. First we will initialize it, and click on this initialize. Yes, here we want our label 1 background color to the green. Yes, me dot, this one is the label 1. When you click on this tab, it will select the label 1. Yes, dot back color. Yes, and we want the back color is green, and the value of RGB value is 69, 184 and 64. Now when you run this code, you will see the color. This one is green. This is how we can change this color. We can make our menu bar animated. We'll do further coding. Yes, and we want to link our home to our page 1. We'll link in the we'll link after changing the color value, after doing our completing our animation. But for now, we want when you move our mouse, we want the background, the label of the color changes to be green. For that, we have to create the sub procedure here. We can do it by clicking on this option button. Yes, and here click the mouse move. Yes, when you move our mouse, it will change our color to green. Me dot LBL2. Yes, LBL2 dot back color. The back color must be green. Copy this RGB value and paste it. And we want the label 1 to be label 1, label 2, label 3 and label 4 must be black. The value is 75. Yes, RGB value 75. So this one is the RGB value. Copy this and paste here. This one is for the label 3 and label 4, and for the label 1 I write in the top accordingly so that it can be editable easily. This one is the label 1, this one is the black color. Now when you run this code, you will see when you go to the option, you can easily see the changes. But when you return to the home, the color, the animation is not, the green color has not been moved to the home. Yes, for doing so we have to write the same code for our label 1. When you click on the mouse 1, yes, mouse move, copy this code and paste here. Here this one, copy this RGB value and paste it, and the label 2 must be black. We'll do the same coding for our label 3. Yes, our button 3 and the button 4. This one is our label 3, button 3. Yes, or and copy this RGB value and paste here. This one is green, and the green must be in the level 3. This one is for the level 4. Level 4 done. This one is 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you run this code, you will see this how you can create the animated menu. How easily you can create. It's a simple 4 line of coding and not so tough. You can make the animated menu bar so easily. Yes, now we'll link this home part to the page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. Before that, we'll make some designing to this page 1 so that we can easily see the difference when it is linked. So click on this page 1. I'll make the label here and the text box. Copy this. Yes, copy this. Now for the page 2, I'll take some command button so that it can be easily seen. I'll show some differences that are seen. Sorry, it's not changing because I haven't clicked the control. Yes. Now different commands. In the page 3, I will take the combo boxes. Yes, this one is the combo box. This one is for the different pages. We have designed the different things so that we can easily see the differences. Now we are going to link our page to the these 4 buttons or 4 labels. For the initially we want our home to be shown in the page 1. For doing that, we'll do it on the first initialize section. When our user form is open, we want our home button to be linked with the page 1. For that, the code is me.multipage. Yes, multipage 1 dot value. The value of page 1 is 0. Page 2 is 1. Yes, when you run this code, you'll see when it get initialized, it will show the page 1, its home button. Now the option button must be 2. This option must be at page 2. For doing so, this one is the option. We'll copy this multipage 1 value here. It must be 1, and for the label 1 must be 0. 2, and this one is the multipage value is 3. When you run this code, you can see the differences. When you click on these options, yes, when you go to the option, because of the mouse move, but if you want the home page or page 2 is shown, when you click on this option button, then we can also do for that. Go to this home option. When you click the home option, just change this to the click. This one is the click option. Just when you single click on this, then home page 1 will be shown. If you want it to the double click, then you can change it from here. You can make it at a double click. Yes, but we make it a clickable. We make it single click. So for this and here, paste. Now it will show the differences. Copy this and paste here. The multi-page 1 value is 1.
and here we run is the label 3, its multi-page standard value is 2. And here this one the value is 3, and remove this. Now run this. I have to change the name of the label 1. This one is the label 2, and this one is label 3. Where is the last one? This last one is the label 4. Label 4. Now run the code. Now when you click on this, then only the page 2 and page 4 are linked. Yes, you can see the differences. You can also remove this heading part of the multi-pages. For doing so, go to this part and here select the multi-page, and in the multi-page, in the style tab, select the option none. When you select the none, that tab, the heading part will remove. Yes, this is how you can remove your heading part of the multi-page. Yes. Now we move towards our last section, last topic of this lessons, how to remove the security warnings in the macro enable style. For doing, close this tab, and here in the developer options, this is the macro settings. Click this macro setting, and here in the most of the user is in the disable all macros with notifications. Here you have to enable all macros and click on the OK. You won't get any warning message from now on. And this is the end of our lesson 1. Now I will see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy the every moment of life, learn more and grow more.